Welcome to Inside Get Right Property, your trusted real estate partner. Our next guest is Mr. Rajesh Kumar Sahu, Project Head, Brent Park City. Before we dive into today's episode, let's talk about finding your perfect home without the usual real estate headaches. Welcome to Get Right Property, your personal real estate advisory platform. We've been doing one thing incredibly well, guiding people straight to the right property, matching their exact needs, and locking in the absolute best deals on the market. At Get Right Property, you get direct builder pricing with zero hidden fees and total transparency. If you book your property through us, we'll gift you the latest iPhone as a special thank you. Sir, the RBI has gradually reduced the interest rates.
Right.
So will this help the buyers when it comes to paying their EMIs? And so is it benefiting the buyers more?
Of course, it is benefiting the buyer. So when the repo rate goes down, automatically, all the related sectors' interest goes down. So that is when actually the government probably promoting the real estate that, in a way that this is the money that is getting invested in the same country. At the same time, so real estate as a sector, if you see, it is actually a linked sector to so many, the employment that gets generated. We're talking about lakhs of laborers working, lakhs of vendors working, cement vendor, be it steel vendor, be it all the manufacturers that we are talking about, be it electricals or the woodwork that we are talking about. So there is different ecosystems runs because of the real estate, right? So yes, obviously that is going to be one of the biggest thing, that is the money getting invested, and at the same time your local engine is also functioning. So real estate, not only about the real estate industry, it's fuels to so many other industries, like cement industry, steel industries, or the manpower industry. I mean, I'm not going into industry, the manpower that we are talking about. So yeah, so all this gets benefited with the overall real estate boom.
And you have seen the rise of demand the real estate has, the way people look for a property and purchase it. Any particular financial advice you would love to give them?
Then where you're parking your money is definitely you must think about, because we are earning a lot of, putting a lot of efforts to earn money, right? So when you are talking about a real estate investment in the past or in the future, maybe in a short term there are some changes might happen, right? So but if you're talking about a value driven project that you are buying, like which actually you can imagine about the future, about how it is going to be, the area going to be, how the project going to be. See, there could be a variation of 10-15%. Maybe your expectation will overachieve or slightly lower than that. But don't give unrealistic expectations is something important. But yes, value creation, if you're looking at, then real estate is always a good option to consider.
Yeah. And we were speaking about the drastic change that has happened in real estate. What do you think has remained the same even till today?
I think the biggest thing which stayed and going to stay is the emotion, right? That is one of the very humanly thing that comes in picture, right? When you're buying a house, actually you're not just buying a square feet. For investment, probably that is a square feet for them. But majority of the buyer that we get in a society, it is actually emotions that they are buying, right? So having the first house, their own house, and they are decorating it into their own way of the garden, the society they have lived in. There are so many kids who might have grown along with that, the society. So you become a citizen of that locality, that society. So that emotion is still there. I mean, when people come here and buy a house, the moment they're taking a picture with us, when we are presenting them a small goodie, that time that emotion we can see it there, which was there even then. Like, I could say about 15 years ago, so it was the same emotions. Even today, that is the same emotion.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Be it buy, sell, resell or rent, Get Right Property takes care of everything start to finish. So we take care of everything. Give us a call at 888 444 0963.